Doors. We see them every day, and many pass through them without notice. But as an owner of a residential property investment, a door means something different. A door means security, a transition to something better, new opportunities. And no matter how many residential properties you own in a lifetime, the feeling is always the same. It becomes a place less notable for what it is than what it gives you: financial wealth, freedom, opportunity, a legacy. At PMI, your purpose is our purpose too. As the largest property management franchise in the nation, PMI helps thousands of residential property investors from all walks of life in every part of the country. And it's the reason we got into this business in the first place. PMI stands out in the property management industry with our expertise, technology, and best-in-class processes. But we don't manage from a distance. Our property managers own and operate their businesses in the same community as your property, providing dedicated support anytime, day or night. And beyond the hands-on work of managing your property, we have local market and industry expertise to advise on how to best protect and grow your investment. This unique, comprehensive approach sets us apart, and it's what we do best. It's our satisfaction to deliver what your door means to you, and why our founding principles have more to do with people, service, community, and trust than property management alone. Yeah, we know there's a lot more to a property investment than managing it, but it will never change the fact that the most rewarding part of our job comes when we can open doors for you.